Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well, and today we will be learning a very popular song from the movie Chichore, and the lead star you already know, Sushant Singh Rajput was there, and this is a very popular song, Khairiyat Poochho Kabhi To Kaifiyat Poochho. Alright, so this song I have divided in two parts. So today we are doing part 1, and in part 1 I have divided each line in one different part. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth and fifth, there are 5 different lines are there, and each line I have given a count. So one by one we will be covering all the lines. Okay, so the first line is Khairiyat Poochho Kabhi To Kaifiyat Poochho. All right, so please have a I have already shared the notation with you, so you can have a look notation and you can just see my hands. Whenever there is a dot is written on any note, so you can assume that note is starting from 4th C onwards. All right, and you can see there are few dashes are also I have written, so that dash simply means you have to sustain that note for a particular, for one count. If there is one dash, so you have to sustain that note for a one count. All right, rest. And you can also see there is a down bracket I have made, so that means the 2 notes you have to play in one count. So we are starting with the first line, Khairiyat Poochho Kabhi To Kaifiyat Poochho, and the notes are C, then dash, then A sharp, B, D sharp, D, then dash, then C, D, C, B, C, then dash, then A sharp, B, D sharp, and D, and then dash. So you can see all the notes are except the B note, rest of B note and A sharp note, rest of the notes are from 4th C onwards. All right, so let's have a look. I'm starting the first line, Khairiyat Poochho Kabhi To Kaifiyat Poochho. Alright, this is first line. Once again I'll show you. Khairiyat Poochho Kabhi To Kaifiyat Poochho. So this is first line, and the chords are C minor and G sharp major. Okay, so I have not played C minor. I'm not playing C minor like this. Here I just want to skip the third note of the chord, and I'll play the first, fifth, and then again first. All right, I'm skipping the third in the chord. All right, and I will do the same for rest of the chords. All right, so in the first line the chords are C minor and G sharp major. So C minor I will be playing like this, and then next chord is G sharp major, so I will be playing like this. So again, this is the root position of G sharp major. All right, so I'm skipping the third, which is C note. I'm just playing G sharp and then D sharp and then again G sharp. All right, so in every chord I will be skipping the third, and I will be playing the first, fifth, and again first. All right, so let's have a look to the first line once again with chord. All right, so this is first line. Once again, have a look. Now next line is, second line is तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है. So I'll play for you the second line. The right hand part I'll play for you. You can see the notation there, and look at my hands. Once again I'll show you. All right. तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है. And the chords are D sharp major. So again I will be playing this D sharp major like this. I will be skipping this third and I will be playing fifth and then again first. All right. And then G major chord. So this is the root position of G major, but instead I will be playing G major like this. First, fifth and again first. So तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है. All right. So again I am playing first two lines together. All right, see the notes. खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है. All right, so these are the two lines I have played together. Now as you can see in the notation in the notes which I have given to you, the next line is दिल मेरा देखो न मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है. So this line is again same as like line 1 and line 2. So I have not written the notes of these two lines because the notes are all same. All right. So it will be sung like this only and played like this only. All right. दिल मेरा देखो न मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है. All right. So now the third line is अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा. All right. This is the third line. I am playing now. All right, once again you see. अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा. All right, and on the left hand there is a F major chord. All right, so I am playing this like this, first, fifth and then again first, F major chord and then G sharp major chord. All right, so third line with both right hand and left hand. अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा. Once again I am playing. अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा. The fourth line is जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है. So the right hand part is जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है. All right, so this is the right hand part and the left hand part is chords are A sharp major and I am playing this like this, first, fifth and first, A sharp major and then G major like this. All right, first, fifth and first. जितनी भी हो दूरियां fourth line is ये दूरियां फिलहाल है. So right hand part is ये दूरियां फिलहाल है. All right. This is the notes for the O. Okay. ये दूरियां फिलहाल है. And the chords are again. ये दूरियां फिलहाल है. A sharp major and then G major. ये दूरियां फिलहाल है. खैरियत पूछो अभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है. दिल मेरा देखो न मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है. अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा. जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है. ये दूरियां फिलहाल है. खैरियत पूछो अभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है. All right, so this is part 1 and I hope you will find it easy to play, easy to find, and you practice first this part 1 and then we will move to the next part in next video. Till now, till the time you practice and take care of yourself. Thank you. Goodbye.